Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build your marketing strategy with Mailchimp step by step clearly. To build your marketing strategy with Mailchimp, start by creating an account on the Mailchimp website. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Next, define your target audience by creating audience segments. Navigate to the Audience tab and click on Manage Audience to add or import contacts. Consider using tags to organize your contacts based on their behaviors or interests. Now, it's time to design your first email campaign. Go to the Campaigns tab and click on Create Campaign. Select email as your campaign type and choose a campaign name that reflects its purpose. Next, design your email by selecting a template that aligns with your brand. Customize the template with your logo, colors, and images to ensure it resonates with your audience. Craft an engaging subject line to capture your recipient's attention. In the content editor, write a compelling message that clearly communicates your value proposition. Once you're satisfied with your email, preview it to ensure everything looks great. You can also send a test email to yourself to check the formatting and functionality. After making any necessary adjustments, it's time to schedule your campaign. Choose an optimal sending time, considering when your audience is most likely to engage. After scheduling, monitor your campaign's performance through the Reports tab. Review key metrics such as open rates and click-through rates to gauge success. Based on the data, refine your approach for future campaigns. Lastly, continue to adjust your strategy as you gather feedback and insights from your audience. This ongoing improvement will help you create effective marketing campaigns with Mailchimp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.